So I worked at NBN for 5 years in the 90s, had a ball, loved it, but would fight like crazy to actually come to the Cessnock area to do stories, because there are so many different people in Cessnock from all walks of life, which makes it incredible from a community perspective. But there is incredible diversity in the bushland as well. I mean, you can be in the centre of Curry or the centre of Cessnock, and 2 minutes drive, you're in this amazing biodiversity hotspot. And I know for a lot of people it just looks like kind of scrub, but it's not kind of scrub. It's actually a treasure. It's an Australian environmental treasure that we actually should all be looking after. And it's right on the outskirts of Cessnock or say Curry. You know, it's just there. And within that little patch of bushland, there is incredible stuff that you can see. Birds, for instance, that you will never see anywhere else in Australia. And they only live there because they think that the outskirts of Curry and the outskirts of Cessnock are some of the rock star places to live. You know, and as humans, we've got to get our heads around that. You know, the other great thing is you can drive a bit further, you can go into the Wollombi Valley and see another big patch of biodiversity. And that's the reason why I fought tooth and nail to come here and do stories when I worked at NBN, because I knew there was all this incredible stuff that you could see in one place, and it was around Cessnock. So when I was looking for somewhere to buy in this area, I drove real estate agents crazy. I said, it needs water, it needs rocks, it needs a south-facing hill, because that's relatively wet forest. It needs some cleared paddocks, and it was all dependent on the unique birds that you can find in this area. And so now I know when I can go birding on our property, I've got a good chance of seeing every spectacular bird there is to find in the Hunter Valley. And that means like just grabbing a pair of binoculars and grabbing my camera and going out. Now, that's the most expensive part of birding. The rest of it's free entertainment. Like, the great thing about bird watching is it's like Pokemon Go with more characters, right? You get to go and find all these treasures and it's free. And the bonus is that it's great for kids. It's great for exercise. It's great for your well-being, you know, it's great for your brain. It just means that you stop just for a moment. You put the phone down, you put the iPad down, you're not engaged with humanity. You actually just get to go and look at beautiful things in beautiful places. And I'm so lucky that I can do that in my home.